Hey there, thanks for clicking today's video. I am Lana Hill. Today on HISD Now, HISD has the best schools in Texas, plus feeding more families this November, and see our magnet and specialty schools ahead of school choice season, including Meyerland PVA. It is this week's Campus Close-Up. Today is Monday, November 10th.
And the #1 high school in the greater Houston area, Carnegie Vanguard High School.
The nonprofit Children at Risk releasing their annual rankings of Texas schools this morning, and Carnegie once again took the top spot, closely followed by DeBakey and HSPVA. T.H. Rogers took the top spot for middle schools, and for the 24-25 school year overall, HISD had the most improved schools of the Houston area, mirroring what we've seen from this transformation over the last 2 years. Children at Risk uses this research to understand and advocate for the needs of students in Texas. Find the full rankings at childrenatrisk.org. And thank you to the Houston Food Bank. They held a distribution here at the Hattie Mae White Educational Support Center on Saturday, where families were able to drive up and get groceries from volunteers. Hundreds of families received meals.
I feel like we have a responsibility as citizens. If you have enough, that you should give back to people who don't. I think it's really important to come out here, especially during the government shutdown, and just show that Houston is a community that helps one another even in times of trouble.
When students show that they're willing to come out, it lets older people and even younger people know that this is a serious situation and that these people are really in need. We really do need the community coming out of here and helping people who can't help themselves.
Last week, HISD launched expanded meal service at more schools across the district so more students could start and end their day with a good meal. Over just 4 days, HISD Nutrition Services served 6,200 more breakfasts, 3,300 more lunches, and 3,200 more dinners than the week prior. Thank you to the HISD Nutrition Services teams. They have been hard at work handing out easy grab-and-go breakfasts in the morning and serving supper at all of our schools with after-school programs, all at no cost to families. And as a reminder, you can visit the food pantries at any of our 8 Sunrise Centers at any time during business hours. We've also posted the schedule to their weekly food distributions on our website. Check it out there on your screen for upcoming days and times. Find more information on our Sunrise Centers and the services provided on our website under the Families and Students tab. Well, this week we are talking school choice. So HISD is an open enrollment district which gives families the chance to find a school that best fits their child's needs. The first school choice fair is coming up this Saturday, November 15th from 9 until noon at Northside High School. At this fair, families can explore hundreds of neighborhood and specialty campuses all in one place. You can even apply to multiple schools with a single streamlined application. Here are some more school choice key dates to keep in mind. Phase 1 application opens December 9th and closes February 27th, 2026. Families will then be notified by early April, and Phase 2 will then open up. The Phase 2 application deadline is in late April. To learn more about the school choice process and to see more dates of more upcoming school choice fairs, go to our website, schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. If you would like to visit one of our magnet schools, schedule a tour through that school's website. For Campus Close-Up this week, we're spotlighting Meyerland Performing and Visual Arts Middle School, located in the heart of the Meyerland community in Southwest Houston. The school is known for its strong academic programs like GT, dual language, and a nationally recognized fine arts magnet.
So our high interest program, probably out of our performing and visual arts, will be our theater program. We have a lot of students that have tons of energy. Ms. Ragland, she's an amazing theater director that has years of experience, and she is just taking our kids to the next level. So much so to even last year, our students won sweepstakes across the board against all other performing visual arts campuses in theater last year. And we're looking to, achieve that excellence and beyond, going to the national stage pretty soon.
You can check out that conversation with Principal Mitchell on our YouTube channel. The story is also up on Instagram and Facebook. Hey, thank you for watching today. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you back here tomorrow.